Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Never let people kiss your baby's lips. Here is why. We can all agree that babies are adorable. They are in the center of attention at all gatherings with friends and family. When different people play with your baby, you should take care to clean it afterward. However, there is a particular type of bacteria which cannot be cleaned. This bacteria can be deadly and it passed on to your baby through seemingly innocent action. If you have been kissing your baby in the mouth, stop it immediately. You shouldn't let anyone kiss a baby's mouth, especially someone who has a cold sore. A horror story happened. The UK mom Claire Henderson, whose newborn daughter Brooke was kissed on the mouth, and after that kiss, she ended in the hospital. Brooke spent 5 days in hospital due to the herpes virus on her lips, cheeks, and chin. Fortunately, she was a bit older because the cold sore virus can be lethal in babies under 3 months. However, a baby in Queensland died because of this virus, just a couple of days after she was born. A newborn baby has a weak immune system, which cannot fight germs and bacteria, which are carried around by the adults. Hence, even a runny nose can be harmful to a small child. So, it is strictly forbidden to kiss a newborn baby, especially on lips. How to protect a baby from HSV-1? The oral herpes infection is mostly asymptomatic. Moreover, most people do not even know that they have HSV-1 infection until herpes appears. It can be accompanied by painful blisters or open sores in and around the mouth. Therefore, if a person has herpes, it is strongly prohibited to kiss a baby, especially in the mouth. However, as it can be asymptomatic, make sure you or anyone else avoids kissing a newborn in the mouth or their hands, because babies keep their hands in the mouth. In case a newborn has been infected, it is likely to experience the following symptoms: fever, irritability, burning around the mouth or lips, cold sores on the face. If any of these signs appears, take your baby to the hospital immediately. Doctors will know how to treat the condition and keep your baby safe, if you get to them in time.